We absolutely love BedSure products in this household, and when I saw that they have dog beds, I knew I had to try it out for my little Frenchie, Walter. So I did get him the double XL orthopedic bed, and we are going to open this up and check it out. So it did come in these two pieces, so I am going to assume that like this white part here is going to be something that we have to like insert into the gray part, and so I'll probably have to do that off camera because I tend to struggle with these things. You want to be super careful when you are opening this. I'm always so worried. I just don't want to obviously puncture the bed, so you need to make sure you take your time. And of course, they always come nicely compressed, and then these things usually just kind of pop open. Let's look at this one here. Let's get some airflow into here, and then it starts to take its form. So it did say, so obviously when they come out here, clearly as you can see, they're like really super duper compressed. Yeah, so I was correct. So we have the outside of the bed, and then that white part is going to be what goes inside the middle here. This is massive. So I was like, okay, so you are going to see my Frenchie in here. He is going to be living large. I'm like already obsessed with this. Okay, so what can't even, this is really funny. Okay, I feel like I could lay in this with my Frenchie. I definitely looked at the measurements, and you know when you like look at something, you're like, yeah, that sounds about right. That's how I felt about this. So I think this might be great if you have like a couple of dogs, maybe like little dogs, or of course if you have a big, massive dog. So as I said, I will be putting this inside off camera, but I just want you to see what the inside looks like, because this of course is the important part. This is the nice orthopedic part that's going to make him so comfortable. And again, we have to be really careful when we're opening this. I don't want to puncture the bed. Let's see, there we go. Oh, look at that foam. Woo! Oh yeah, because this is a massive bed. I am still a little bit in shock right now. Did not realize what I was doing, and it's folded in half, obviously. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm going to, well, let's take a look. Look at that beautiful foam. That's gonna feel so nice for Walter. So let's go ahead and put it inside there, and we will be right back. Okay, it was super easy to put together. There is a really great zipper at the back, and it totally unzips, and then you just put in that little like egg foam in here, and then this is what the bed looks like. So you've got all of this space right here, and then I love that the sides here are raised. This was already inside the bed, so he can like rest his little head here if he wants to, but we're gonna put it on the floor, and let's see, he's already like super excited and waiting to get inside here. Walter, what do we think? Oh, buddy. It's just, he loves it. Is that your new bed? Look, Wally, we can cuddle together now. Look, there's so much space for the two of us in here. Honestly, when I say this bed is massive, it's and man, it's comfortable. Look, we could put our head here. We can just relax. Honestly, this might be the best thing ever. It is so comfortable. It is fit for my little king.